What is up, retail fam? So, taking a stroll this Monday morning. Hope everybody has a great week. I was thinking about AMC. Some of the questions that I got with just some of my friends and just people around the community were asking me, what's my thoughts on AMC since it actually is back down under $2? Now, let me be clear about something. Nothing hasn't changed when it comes to AMC. Projections for myself, exactly the same. $5 at first, $10 now. Again, everything for AMC has been doing well. When AMC broke over $1, it went up to $1.90 something. It had a retracement down to $1.30, right? People started freaking out. People were getting sort of scared. This is the problem with community, or a problem with not having confidence in your play or your trade, is the fact that if there's any price action or price swings, you start questioning your decisions. You start questioning your due diligence if you did it, or you start questioning what should be done next. Now, even though AMC broke above $2 and got down to that $1.80 range, the two times it actually retraced pretty good one was because of oil, and that's totally fine. There's problems, obviously overseas, not get into that. And the second thing was this past week. You had the stock market. Everything in the entire market was going down, it was just red. You have rate hikes, possibly. There's a lot of fear in the market. You had Bitcoin. Everything's just dumping, right? Gold, everything. So you cannot look at AMC and be like, well, my investment's bad now. The entire market is going down. I don't care what ticker symbol that you're looking at. I don't care what you have invested. If the entire market's moving to the downside and it's red, your ticker symbol, whatever you have, no matter the setup, is going to go down with it. It's just the way the market works. Now, having conviction in what you believe in, whether you're a long-term, short-term, diamond hander, hodler, it doesn't really matter, right? Understanding what you're doing, having an exit plan, if there's one. If you don't have one, that's fine. You can hold for the rest of your life. You want to give it to other people, grandfather it to your grandchildren and so forth, totally fine. You do what you got to do, but just have an understanding of what you're doing is pretty much the video I'm making, is that if you want to get into a play, have a reason why you get into the play. If you're looking for life-changing money, use money that you don't need. Right? This is something that happened in 2021. A lot of people needed that money, and it didn't happen. Now, another thing too, before I get out here, let me just say this: do your due diligence and understanding your research. Right? Don't take anybody's word for it. Not on YouTube, not on X, not any social media platforms. Get off your ass and go do your own research. Know why you're investing. If you have an exit plan, have a strategy, have a goal. If you reach your goal, don't get greedy. Some people nowadays, you look at a 10, 20, 30% gain, you're like, that's it? That's real money. Now, depends on your financial situations or your trading situation, your brokerage, or whatever it is, right? Do what you got to do. But also, take gains, take profits. I said, taking profits is paramount, right? Sometimes people see profits and you're like, well, I made 100%, I want 200%. And you end up giving it all back. It's like going to the casino. You walk in there with $200, you're up to $500. Oh, I could turn this $500 into $1,000. The next thing you know, you don't have your $500. You don't even have your $200, and now you're at the ATM trying to get more money. Trust me, I know. Anyways, that's all I gotta say. Everybody, have a blessed day. Go see a movie. The movies are great. I think I'm gonna see Power Ballot today. I saw Scary Movie yesterday, and I'm not gonna ruin it for you, but there's a part about Scary Movie where they do impression of Shaquille O'Neal. Freaking hilarious. Everybody in the theater was just freaking laughing. So good. All right, everybody have a blessed day. Take it easy. Peace.